Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the question answers of the chapter The Happy Prince, class 8 English literature or your book. So we are going to start the question answers of The Happy Prince. Before that, I'll tell you a brief summary, or I'll recap you the summary of the chapter The Happy Prince, which we have studied in the last class. ना last class में हमने देखा था Happy Prince. It was about a prince who was known by the people of his kingdom, the Happy Prince, because throughout he was alive, he was always happy. Sadness and sorrow were not allowed to enter his palace. That is why he was called as Happy Prince. But when he died, things just changed. His statue was placed on a tall column, and from there, when he saw the problems of the people of his kingdom, then he was not looking very happy. Once there was a bird whose name is Swallow. Swallow came to the Happy Prince, and then everything got changed. Swallow asked Happy Prince, why was he like crying? So Happy Prince said that I want to help the people of my kingdom, but I am not able to do that. So will you help me? And he asked him, swallow, swallow, little swallow. So the first person Happy Prince helped was a seamstress by giving the ruby to her. The second one was a playwright, and he gave him a sapphire of his eye. The third one was the match girl. To her again he gives a sapphire, and then donated all the gold of his body to all the people of his kingdom. And at last the bird Swallow died of the frost, and the lead heart of the Happy Prince and Swallow's body goes to the same place. So this is how the story turns to a pathetic end, but it shows love and how to help others. This was the whole moral of the story. So now we are going to start the chapter question answers. The first one is choose the correct option. The question number 1 is The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde promotes the virtue of Happy Prince से हमें क्या moral मिलता है? Kindness, humility, thoughtfulness और friendly. So the correct answer is kindness. लोगों के लिए हमें kindness दिखानी चाहिए. So the first option is correct. Why did Swallow stay with the Happy Prince? Swallow Happy Prince के साथ क्यों रही? He and the prince were friends. वो दोनों friends थे? No, it was not. He went to help the prince. क्या उस prince को help करने गई थी? No, it was not that way. He wanted to continue loving the needy. क्या वो दूसरों की मदद करना चाहती थी? No, it was not even that way. So the correct answer is he wanted to be the eyes of the prince. वो prince की eyes बनना चाहती थी because prince जो है उसने अपने sapphire donate कर दिए थे, and he wanted to be Swallow wanted to be the eye of the Happy Prince. Where was the Swallow going? Swallow कहाँ जा रही थी? Egypt जा रही थी. So correct answer is option number 1A, Egypt. Where were the drops coming from? वो जो drops Swallow के ऊपर गिरी थी वो कहाँ से आ रही थी? So it was coming from the statue's eyes. Statue के eye. Happy Prince की जो tears थे वो Swallow के ऊपर गिर रहे थे. So that was how. Correct answer is fourth option. Now fifth question, where was the statue of the Happy Prince? Happy Prince का statue कहाँ खड़ा था? On a building, on a column, on a church or on a bridge? So the correct answer is on a column. एक बड़े से column के ऊपर, height के ऊपर वो खड़ा था. Answer option number 2 is correct. With what was the statue decorated? Decorated किससे था वो statue? Gold से, diamond से, silver से या ruby sapphire से? So it was decorated with the rubies and sapphire and made up of gold. So the correct answer is option 4th, rubies and sapphire. Okay. Now the true false. You have to say whether the given sentence is true or false. The rain made the swallow all wet. False. It was not the rain. It was the tears of the Happy Prince that made the swallow wet. The Happy Prince himself went to the poor woman to give her the ruby with the swallow. No, Happy Prince didn't left the statue. वो एक statue था तो वो हिल नहीं सकता था. So it was false. The swallow was a prince's messenger and helped him. Swallow prince की messenger थी. So it was true. The fourth one, Swallow wanted to go to Egypt with the prince. False. वो उसके साथ नहीं जाना चाहती थी. She wanted to go alone. Fifth one, the prince knew that the swallow must be off to Egypt. Prince को पता था कि swallow कहाँ जाना चाहती है, उसका intention क्या था? Egypt जाना था. So it was true. The sixth one, the swallow didn't help the Happy Prince because he had left for Egypt. Swallow ने help नहीं किया क्योंकि वो Egypt जा चुकी थी. False. उसने help की थी और वो वहीं रुकी थी Happy Prince के लिए. Okay, so the last one is false. I am repeating the true false answers. False, false, true, false, false, true, false. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The Happy Prince statue was dashed from head to foot. Gold. So the first answer is gold. Second, the bird named swallow, SWALLOW is swallow, came one day to the statue. वो statue पे आई थी. The swallow gave the ruby to the boy's mother. वो जो बच्चा बीमार था उसकी मदर को दी थी. So what she gave? Ruby. RUBY ruby दी थी उसको. The bird died at the feet of the statue. कहाँ मरी थी वो? swallow की body कहाँ गिरी थी? statue के feet पे. Okay. The God's angel took the two things from the earth. कौन कौन सी two things थी? The first one was swallow's body and lead heart of the Happy Prince. Happy Prince का heart and swallow's body. So swallow's body and lead heart. LEAD lead. Okay. The next one, the mayor considered the statue as shabby. तो मेयर ने क्या कंसीडर किया था कि स्टैचू अब शेबी हो चुका है, ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है, तो इसको यहाँ से हटा देना चाहिए. Okay, now going towards the question answers. The first one is, where was the swallow going and why? तो swallow कहाँ जा रही थी? Swallow was going to Egypt because it was so chilled in this place, so she want to feel the warmth and that is why she is going to Egypt. वो Egypt जा रही थी. What broke the heart of the prince? Prince का heart कैसे टूटा? When swallow died, the heart of the prince broke. Swallow की death के साथ prince का heart भी टूट गया. Because somewhere there was a loving bond between swallow and the prince. उनके बीच में एक bond बन गया था. That is why when she died, the prince's heart also broke. What are the characteristics of the Happy Prince? Happy Prince के क्या क्या characteristics थे? He was kind. He was you can say generous. है ना, वो स्टिंगी नहीं था, कंजूस नहीं था. ही वॉज जेनरस, लोगों को बांटने में बिलीव करता था. ही वॉज काइंड एंड यू कैन से ही वॉज हेल्पिंग, बहुत हेल्प करने में वो बिलीव करता था एज फार द चैप्टर इज कंसर्न. सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द हैप्पी प्रिंस. फाइन मतलब हेल्पिंग, काइंड एंड जेनरस. ओके. फॉर whom did the prince send the sapphire and why? किन किन के लिए सफायर भेजा गया था? सफायर उसकी आंखों में थे. सो द फर्स्ट सफायर वाज गिवन टू द प्ले राइटर बॉय बिकॉज ही वाज अनेबल टू गेट द फ्यूल और वार्मथ व्हेन ही वांट्स टू राइट. सो द फर्स्ट वन वाज गिवन टू द प्ले राइटर and the second sapphire was given to the match girl because she was unable to sell her matchsticks. That is why the second sapphire was given to the match girl. So these were the two answers. You have to mention the two things in the answer. Name the precious things mentioned in the story. Why are they precious? तो कौन कौन सी precious things story में mention है? Why are they precious? The precious things are ruby in the you can say in the sword hilt, the sapphire in his eyes, and the body was all gold plated, and they were precious because they are meaningful for the poor people. उनके लिए बहुत meaningful हो रही थी. They can help the poor people. These things. That is why the things are precious. What do you think is the most pathetic event in the story? The most pathetic event, सबसे sad moment क्या था? When swallow died and both of them and the lead heart broke. At that time they just got separated somehow. है ना. तो जब swallow मरी और उसका lead heart टूटा, that was the most pathetic moment in the story. Okay. So these were all the question answers of the chapter The Happy Prince. If you go through this video and now then you try to attempt the question answers, you will be able to solve it very easily. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. Thank you.